Hello guys, welcome to SheetMetric. So today we will learn about QR codes, which stands for Quick Response Code. So how to generate QR code on the Google Sheet. So that would be the agenda for today. So here this is how the base sheet looks like, and your output sheet would look like this. Okay, so we will be basically using three features of Google and Google functions. So one is the image function, another is Google Chart API, and then encode URL. Okay, so traditionally, a few years ago, we were used to seeing barcodes much more than QR codes because QR codes were not prominent uh, during those years. But QR code has gained a lot of popularities in recent few years because QR code is far more superior than barcode. QR codes can store much more information than barcode. Barcode used to have information only in horizontal direction, but QR code can have information in both horizontal and vertical direction, and hence it can store more characters inside it than barcode. Also, QR codes readability and scannability on scanners or optical instruments is much higher than barcodes. So these are the few uses of QR codes. Why QR code does far better than barcodes. So some of the use cases we see nowadays is very prominent UPI everywhere. Also, you can use it as a marketing on your marketing material for any of CTA's call to action, either for your phone number, for your WhatsApp, for your any Google Map link, etc. So here I have mentioned four such use cases for you. So first is the YouTube channel link of SheetMetric. So suppose I want to create a marketing material, some posters which needs to be pasted outdoors, and I want to give the link of SheetMetric channel in the form of QR code. So this is the sheet link, and then this will be converted to QR code. Similarly, you can put the link of your website in the form of QR code. So I have taken IRCTC website, which is a train ticket booking application. Then the third one is a Facebook app link from the Google Play Store. And fourth one is a WhatsApp message triggered with a message saying, Hi Sheetmetric, I want to learn more about productivity tools and uses of Google Sheet. Please help. So this can trigger a WhatsApp message to your support, and then the conversation can be taken forward with your audience. Okay. So here we would be using three functions: image functions, Google Chart API, and encode URL. Okay. So let's first go to Google Chart API. So it's mentioned here. So we would be using this API. So here it is saying that the root URL is this one, and then CST is chart type equal to QR code, chart size. Then you have to mention width and height in the form of pixel, and then chart link. So here you have to put data, and data should be in the form of a URL. So that is why we will use the encode URL function. So let's quickly go through what the encode URL function does. So encodes text into a URL. So URL does not have blank spaces, right? Let's say customer feedback form, it's written here, and I want to do it in encode URL format. So all the spaces has been converted to percentage 20, so that this is a single link, no spacing is there. So this is what encode URL does. So this is the one thing that we would be using. Another thing we would be using would be the image function. So image functions inserts an image into a cell. So here I will first show you an example. Okay. So this is the Facebook logo, percentage, etc. So this is what image function does. Also, image function, as the formula suggests, inserts an image into the cell, and then you can put the URL for which you want to insert image, and then also it takes next argument as 1 2 3 4, which is optional argument. So whenever you will put argument as 1, so it fit picture to the cell, or even when you will not specify it, it will do the same. If you will do write 2 here, so it will fit image perfectly into the cell. And if you will write 3 here, then it will the picture, the original picture will retain its own image. While if you will pass 4 here, then you can do a custom dimension, and then you can write it further width and height in the form of pixel. So I will run you through it very quickly. Okay. So the first function here written, here there is no 1 2 3 4 is, so this is same as 1. So I will directly go to the 2. Okay. Okay. So fit image perfectly into the cell. So it has fit into the cell, but it has distorted its original form. Okay. If you will mention it as 3, then the picture will maintain its retain its original size irrespective of your cell size, etc. So here you need to adjust your cell accordingly. Okay. If you will mention it 4 here, then you need to pass the width and height in the form of pixel here, and then you can customize the size. Okay, like this is very small. Let's do it 50/50. Okay. Yeah. So I have briefed you about image function in code URL and then Google Chat API. So now we will directly jump to the QR code. So for that we will be using this formula. So equal to image, then we will bring down chart dot Google APIs, and then chart size, this you can customize, and then chart type equal to QR, and then chart link equal to, you have to encode the URL. Okay. So I will put this formula in the description box for you. Okay. Okay, so this has generated a QR code. So I have already checked it, and this is working very fine when you scan it on your mobile phone. So you can also use this these QR codes when you have variable information. Let's say many times you have some link URL, let's say XYZ, and then this is changing to A1, A2, A3, and then you might need to share these to on public forums. So that information you can maintain it in a sheet, and then you can create a QR code for it. So hope this video would have been useful to you guys. So if you have really liked the content, then please like, comment, and subscribe to SheetMetric. Also, let us know what you are liking about us, and what topics you want us to cover. So thank you guys for staying tuned with SheetMetric. Bye.